This thing's giving up the ghost. Plug the thing in the side just broke, cracked, it's been old. So I guess I'm not going to charge the, well, I got one charging, but son of a beach. I got to get a new C&D charger. Hopefully you've seen my other video on these Harbor Freight Thunderbolt Magnum nickel metal hard drive rechargeable batteries. I originally started off with 8 AA's, 4 AAA's, 2 C's, and 2 D's. Today I've gone back to get 2 more D's, 2 more C's, and 9 volt, excuse me, because I'm getting an EBL battery charger, which we're going to be reviewing next. So that is my old Rayovac died, gave up the ghost. 25 something years old, so nothing lasts forever. We got the EBL charger from Walmart, so I got to get it opened up so we can progress with the video. There we are. It's not very big. Oop, don't want to drop my Kershaw knife down in there and lose that. So anyways, there it is. Let's get it out of the box and see what we're looking at. Here we are. Got it out of the box. Don't even feel like the thing weighs a pound. I have a postal scale somewhere, but I don't feel like digging it out. So what does it say? Indoor, automatic, intelligent, cycles, AC, safety, environmental charging. Woo, all fancy stuff. It's like product model, standard accessories. Doesn't tell us much more than that. Repeats the same stuff over and over again. Caution. Refer to the instructions. Probably is no instruction to this. So let me get this opened up and we'll be right back. Okay, it comes in a bunch of bubble wrap. What the heck is that? What the heck are those? Decals of some sort. Oh, wow. Like I need decals. There's our instruction manual. One simple little folded sheet. Get this out of the bubble wrap. Must be the AC cords inside there. Yes, it is. Hate to say it. Come on, focus. Doesn't feel as sturdy as the Rayovac charger I had. Oh, that's good or bad. Got the charger cable off. I got the twisty cord off of it. It goes right there. Okay, so let me get that cord plugged into it. Get it run down to a 6 outlet strip on the side of my desk leg. And we'll be right back. And we got the EBL batteries to test out. As I charge those in my Energizer, I want to charge maybe 4D batteries or 4C batteries. I got it plugged into the power outlet, but I see nothing that indicates that it's plugged in or powered on, so maybe there's no indicator unless it's charging. Let me get some batteries into this and see what happens here. Those little ridges is what kind of guides the battery, so it seats kind of properly in the channel. There we go. Guess I have no idea how long it's going to take to charge because I didn't read the manual, so we will report back later. Okay, this may be a short-lived product that I own. Please note that this is a non-stop charging charger, which will damage the battery if charging for a long time. Please calculate the charging time by yourself with the following formula. Oh my God. Yeah, I put these batteries in here at 2:30. It's now 11:30 at night, and they're warm. This thing's going back. This thing's a piece of junk. You know, nothing that will shut off. If it's not going to shut itself off, what the hell good is it? Let's check these with my voltmeter. 1.407, 1.405, 1.4, 1.398. all different voltage. You know, this stuff gets sickening. This is lovely. I just put the batteries in here. Sound like they were almost dying. And, yeah. Doesn't even want to power on. And sound. Nothing. What a bunch of crock of crap. That battery charger is worthless. Batteries just seated in there correctly. That charger just either overcharged my batteries and cooked them, or it's not even charging. Doesn't even friggin' work. What a joke. Use that formula to give you 1.2 times the amperage divided by the amperage hour charging rate, which is 200, and that told me 12 hours or 13.8, so I let them charge for 12 hours. Let's get these into the Galaxian game and see what happens this time. We did the math, and it looks like these things are supposed to charge for 12 hours, so first charge didn't work. I don't know why. Anyways, I put the C-cells back in my Galaxian 2 game I've had since I was a teenager. My great-grandmother gave this to me, and yeah. Once you leave them in for an appropriate amount of time and do the math, batteries, time, the amperage, divided by whatever that formula was, probably got all backwards. Anyways, it works, the charges, but, you know, every time you put a different battery in, you got to do something different. Yeah, do the formula every time. You know, why doesn't it have a self-charge? It says charging automatic on the side of the box. Look right there, it says automatic charge. What a lie. Scam it is. Yeah. Caveat emptor, my friends.